George, you've got a girlfriend, right? Yeah. Okay, Rachel wants to know, what's the most romantic thing you've ever done for your girlfriend?
I do a lot of romantic things.
He shaved her, hair. Really? Why? Because she likes to have, she has red hair. Oh. And she likes to have them,
really grandpa.
And George like it as well. So, you're the one with the long hair and your girlfriend is the one with short hair. Right, exactly. Short red hair. But really short, like this short, Okay. This is what I hear. Now, before you go on stage to perform live, there is a certain ritual that you have to do. Yeah. What is that ritual? George has to go on the toilet, on the restroom, and make big business. Yeah. What if he doesn't make big business?
Then we have a huge problem.
But this never happened.
Never happened. I do it for the band.
Last time he was like on the toilet 3 times. So you're saying
it was a good show then.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Now, here's a question for everyone as well, beginning with George. If you were to be a celebrity for one day, who would you be and why?
No, I don't want to be Tom. I would love to be... That's hard. Maybe Tom. I don't know, maybe... I don't have a good idea. I think...
maybe you should say myself. I think, to be honest, it's maybe David Hasselhoff or Tom Collins. One of them.
I have to think about it. Ask them.
What about you? I think maybe Steven Tyler.
Oh,
because then I can do something together with the rest of Aerosmith.
Wow.
Because it's celebrity. Yes. Yeah, so I can also be a girl. Jessica Alba? Yeah. Because I can, go in the shower and look at do things and, on Twitter, if you had 1 day left for everyone, if you had 1 day left to live, what would you do?
All of my friends and families and have a great day.
And shave their hair again? For a girlfriend?
No, I wouldn't tell anybody that I just will live for 1 day. I would just try to have a huge party and do everything I would love to do.
One more time, big business? Yeah. If all of you were vampires, who would you bite first? Not your girlfriend. Your girlfriend's out of the question. Who would you bite first?
I think one of my dogs.
And then we can go.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, then we can go together and bite other people. What about you?
Yeah, the dog is a good idea. I would also bite.
That would be sweet because George has like a dog like that. So. What about you, Gustav?
I really don't want to be a vampire.
Okay. Each other. So, which one of you snores the loudest when you speak? Maybe Gustav, but we are all really not snorers. Be a member of any other band just for 1 day. Which band would it be? Oh, okay. Or a drama from a band. Maybe, I don't know, Foo Fighters or something. Or drama. For this stuff, yeah, because I'm a good drummer.
So I'm the drummer of Tokyo Hotel.
Yeah, maybe the drummer of Tokyo Hotel. That would sound good. I'm really grandpa.